Hey folks, this is Gazwan Kari over at SharePointQuester.com. Today I'll be going over publishing custom content types. First things first, let me walk you through or talk about what I've done before I go ahead and publish a custom content type. So I created a site collection in my SharePoint 2010 and I called it US Content Hub. I switched over to Central Administration and then I made sure the managed metadata service is up and running. And then under application management, I clicked on manage service applications and I created a new instance of the managed metadata service and I called it US managed metadata, and within the configuration of the US managed metadata I made sure that the content hub, the site collection hub, is pointing to this site collection that I created. This way the service instance will consume the different content types from that site collection. There's a video for how you do that separately. Today's focus will be how do I publish a custom content type. So going back to my site collection, I'm going to go under Site Actions, Site Settings. Under Galleries, I'm going to select Site Content Types. I'm going to create a new content type and I'm going to call this Finance Docs. This is going to be based off of document content types, and this is going to be based on parent content type document. We're going to create a new group. We're going to call this Quester and go ahead and click OK. And now what we're going to do is we're going to manage publishing for this content type. So again, site settings, content type. After you've created it, you go back to your content type, say manage publishing for this content type. Make sure publish is selected and then go ahead and click OK. Okay, next thing what we're going to do is we're going to go back to central administration because this is going to now wait until the timer job kicks in and then it will be published. So we're going to run these jobs manually. So we're going to go back to central administration and under monitoring, under timer jobs, we're going to review job definitions. We're going to look for a couple of things in here. Let me do a sort by all. We're going to do a couple of, we're going to run a couple of them. We're going to run the content type hub. So we're going to go ahead and run that right now. And then we are going to look for the content type subscriber. Let me confirm which web application I'm on. I'm on web application 80, so that's the one I want. And then I'm going to go ahead and run it right now. And then we're going to switch over to the site collection, and then we're going to take a look at the content type, make sure that it's now available to us in the site collection. So under the site, let's go to Site Actions. We are going to scroll to the Site Collection Administration. We're going to go into Content Type Publishing and make sure under the hubs, whatever content types you have published has been consumed and subscribed to through this site collection. So Finance Docs is out here. This is our example. We're going to go ahead and click OK. Let's go ahead and activate this. So I'm going to go into Shared Documents, make sure we can use it in a document library, go into Library Settings, go into Advanced Settings, and then make sure that the content types, allow management of content types is set to yes, and then go ahead and click OK. And then at the bottom of the screen, you're going to see under Content Types, you have the ability to add an existing site content type. We are going to say look for document content types. And that will actually, what did we call it? From Quester, we're going to add finance documents. We're going to add that finance docs and go ahead and click OK. So now if a user goes to the document library and wants to add a new document, they've got two options. They've got the docs and then they've got the finance docs. So this has been published and this has been enabled now. This content type I could use on this document library. This concludes this video. Thank you.